Hello YouTube, this is Anna King. I am working for www.unboxing-jerseys.ru. Look at this new jersey. This one is the Pittsburgh Steelers NFL jersey, color rush style, and the number is 26. The color is black. It is from my website. www.unboxing-jerseys.ru. Okay, let me show you guys the jersey details. The neck, yes, stitch rubber NFL logo, stitched Steelers patch, yes, stitch. Okay, and stitch number 26. Okay, take a good look at this. Yeah, stitched number 26. And check this part. This part is not mesh. Elite style is mesh material. Okay, and here's the tag. Stitched, size large. Okay, and check the shoulder. Number 26 stitch here. Okay, stitch the Nike logo. Okay, on the sleeve. Here's a paper tag. Each jersey comes with this paper tag. Okay, another sleeve. Stitch number 26. Stitch Nike logo. Okay, on the sleeve. The jersey's back. Yeah, very famous player bell and the number 26. Both are stitched on the back. Yeah, stitch the player's name. And stitch number 26. Check the material. It's very soft. Yeah, very soft material. Guys, this jersey is from my website, www.unboxing-jerseys.ru. If you guys want me to review more jerseys, please leave a comment. We can use Visa card, MasterCard, Western Union, and MoneyGram for payment. If you order 10 jerseys or more at one time, we can do DHL free shipping. And if you guys can help me to review the jerseys, you can get one free jersey as a reward. Any more questions, please feel free to contact Anna King. Okay, thank you for watching today. Bye.